Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 16 September 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a surprising move, Bybit, the third largest offshore cryptocurrency exchange, has opened its doors to users in China. This marks a significant shift from its previous stance, which strictly prohibited Chinese registrations. The change comes as Bybit navigates a competitive landscape where other exchanges have already tapped into the vast Chinese user base. However, this decision has raised eyebrows internally, as Bybit's certification page still lists mainland China as a restricted jurisdiction. Meanwhile, Binance is reportedly undergoing layoffs, with 20% of its workforce potentially affected. The layoffs are attributed to a tough market environment and previous overexpansion. Despite this, Binance asserts that it will continue hiring for specific roles. In a related development, Hong Kong is rolling out new cryptocurrency regulations. While not as liberal as some had hoped, these regulations are seen as a positive step for the region's crypto scene. In other exchange news, the SUI official team has requested major exchanges, including Binance and Bybit, to hold off on launching perpetual contracts for the SUI token upon its debut. This request has been temporarily respected by the exchanges, reflecting the ongoing adjustments in the crypto market amid regulatory and competitive pressures. Turning to legal matters, Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, has filed an appeal against his fraud conviction. He is seeking a new trial, alleging bias from Judge Lewis Kaplan, who presided over his case. Bankman-Fried was found guilty on 7 counts related to the collapse of his exchange, resulting in a 25-year prison sentence. His appeal, submitted to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, argues that Judge Kaplan's comments were unfair and that critical evidence was blocked, undermining his defense. Bankman-Fried's attorney, Alexandra Shapiro, contends that the judge's actions created a presumption of guilt. The appeal also highlights procedural violations, including an unlawful forfeiture order and the withholding of Brady material. The defense argues that the trial narrative misled the jury about FTX customers' financial status, who were expected to recover funds through bankruptcy proceedings. The appeal criticizes the collaboration between the Department of Justice and the bankruptcy estate, suggesting it impeded access to exculpatory evidence. On a more positive note, Circle, the company behind the USDC stablecoin, has announced its decision to relocate its global headquarters to New York City. The new office will be situated at the top floors of the iconic One World Trade Center. This move is a significant milestone for Circle and the broader crypto industry, as it aims to establish a strong presence in one of the world's financial hubs. Jeremy Allaire, Circle's CEO, expressed enthusiasm about the transition, emphasizing New York's role as a center for financial and crypto innovation. He noted that the new headquarters will be a collaborative space designed to foster partnerships within the fintech sector. Despite regulatory concerns in the US, Allaire remains optimistic about the country's potential to lead in cryptocurrency and blockchain development. The headquarters is set to open in early 2025, aligning with what Allaire predicts will be a mainstream adoption of stablecoins. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay crypto savvy.